Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is October the 10th, 2019, and this year we tried something different. We tried growing our sweet potato vines in the greenhouse. And these are our edible sweet potato vines. We started the slips off, and we planted them in. And these are two of our containers here. Now we do have a lot more containers in here. We do have the big round container of sweet potato vines. We have the big oval container, and then we have some 5-gallon buckets of sweet potatoes. So all of the slips were started in the greenhouse, and because we had a slower start here in Pennsylvania, because it was cooler in the springtime, so when the greenhouse was finished this year, we put the sweet potato vines in here to start them off, and when we seen how well they were growing, we just left them in here all summer. And we did pull some of these out of the buckets here, and they do have the sweet potato tubers on them. So with the greenhouse, it's extending our growing season, and the greenhouse is heated. Now we did have a few nights where we did get a frost already on the one night, and then it was like in the 30s, I think, last night. So we did have the heat on in here, and we're hoping that, this is going to really extend our growing season for these and give us a larger harvest. So you can see more of the sweet potato vines here. Now these are the ones in this container right here, the oval container that we used last year. And they just went completely crazy, the vines did, growing in the greenhouse. So we do have to prune them and trim them back to try and keep them under control. And here's more over here in the big round container. And really hoping for a nice sweet potato harvest this year. Now, one thing when you're growing your sweet potato vines, aphids love sweet potato vines, and so do spider mites. So that's something that you really have to watch out for. White flies can attack them too. So just go ahead and check your plants over, and just watch them and make sure that you don't have any type of pest trying to call your plants their home. Especially in a growing environment like a greenhouse, or in your basement or something like that, because once they get that warmth, and they'll just go. So that is something that you want to keep an eye out for, and make sure that they're not attacking your plants. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and please have a nice day. Bye!